Hello, and thank you for reviewing the Employee Benefits Guide for Open Enrollment for Accurate Corrosion in 2017. Please make sure that you have the accompanying Employee Benefits Guide available as we review the information to follow. As mentioned, we are now in open enrollment. Employees are welcome to make any changes, add coverage, terminate coverage, but must do so by November 15th, 2017. Please make sure you complete an enrollment form and turn it into HR by November 15th, 2017. Any changes you make will take effect December 1st. On page 3 of your Employee Benefits Guide, please take note that a lot of our carrier and provider information is listed for your review. You can find carrier websites, phone numbers, policy numbers, and down at the bottom of the page, you'll also find the information for our insurance broker, Johnson Insurance, along with some contact numbers for people should you have any questions. Open enrollment is the one time of year that you can make changes to your benefit elections. Please keep in mind that once open enrollment closes on November 15th, you will not be able to make changes to the benefits unless you have a valid qualifying event. Qualifying events are major life changes. Think of things like marriage, divorce, legal separation, birth or adoption of a child, loss of coverage for a spouse. All of those events enable you to make changes to your benefits within a very limited time frame. You have 30 days from the date of that event to make those changes. Please get in touch with HR or Johnson Insurance should you have a qualifying event and need to make changes to your benefit elections. On page 5 of your benefits guide, you'll notice a handy listing of terminology, primarily focused on health insurance, but some of these terms can focus for dental and vision as well. Things like deductibles, max out-of-pockets, balance billing, coinsurance, explanations of benefits are all insurance terms that will probably help you navigate the benefits world a little bit more successfully. Please take some time to get familiar with this information. Page 6 is a brief highlight of what will be happening with our health insurance as of December 1st, 2017. We have great news. We will be retaining our same great plan with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona, which is a high deductible health plan paired with a health savings bank account. We'll talk a little bit more about this on the pages to follow. In the meantime, please take note of the information on the bottom of the page, which helps you identify how to find a contracted provider within the Arizona Blue network. Please go to www.azblue.com and follow the steps to find a contracted doctor to make sure you're minimizing any unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. Page 7 is a summary of our health insurance benefits with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona. As mentioned before, we will retain our $2,600 deductible plan. On the page in front of you, you should see in-network and out-of-network categories. The in-network categories is where we would really like you to focus. Using in-network or contracted physicians will help minimize any exposure that you have of being balance billed or overcharged for medical expenses. When using the in-network directory for Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona, you should anticipate a $2,600 deductible for your plan. Once you've hit that deductible, you will have coinsurance or cost sharing of 10% of all remaining charges until you hit a total max out-of-pocket expense of $5,000. This means to you, in a worst case scenario, you would have a $2,600 deductible, then pay 10% of all remaining charges until you hit a maximum of $5,000 per person per calendar year. If for some reason you find that you are spending more than that amount of money, please contact HR or Johnson Insurance and ask for assistance in identifying exactly why you might be overcharged. Please note on this high deductible health plan, everything, all services, including doctor's office visits, urgent care visits, and pharmacy benefits are all subject to deductible first. That means when you receive services up front, you may be asked to pay a copay for pharmacy benefits, or you will receive a bill in the mail after the fact showing you the amount of money you should be paying for those services. Any questions that you may have on the health insurance, please feel free to reach out to HR or Johnson Insurance. It is very important to highlight that again this year, Accurate Corrosion is committed to paying 100% of the premium costs for all eligible employees and their dependents for their health insurance. On average, this amounts to about $720 per month per employee. As mentioned previously, our high deductible health plan is paired with a health savings bank account offered through Optum Bank. Once you sign up for health insurance coverage with Accurate Corrosion, you should receive an ID card from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona showing coverage. You should also receive a debit card from Optum Bank. Health savings bank accounts are a great way for you to save for future medical, dental, or vision expenses for either yourself or your qualified dependents. It is not necessary for your dependents to be enrolled on your high deductible health plan with Accurate Corrosion to be able to use the health savings bank account for their medical, dental, or vision expenses. Please take a look at the information on page 8, which outlines the maximum contributions an employee can put into a bank account for the HSA. If you are over age 55, please note that you are eligible to add an additional catch-up contribution for the year as well. Qualifying medical, dental, and vision expenses include things like doctor's office visits, inpatient or outpatient treatment, prescription drugs, and dental and vision care that might not be covered by the traditional plans themselves. On page 9 of your employee benefits guide, you'll find information regarding maximizing your benefits for health, dental, and vision expenses. The first bullet point refers to healthcare.gov. If you know of someone that is looking for health insurance coverage, they can certainly visit the healthcare.gov website and look for options to cover themselves. However, for those of you eligible to be covered by the Accurate Corrosion plan, that plan is the best benefit available to you at this time. Always make sure to utilize in-network providers to maximize coverage and minimize any potential out-of-pocket costs. Consider utilizing convenience care clinics when possible. This can be a great access to care for you in lieu of the urgent care or emergency room services. The nice part about convenience care facilities is that they do keep more retail hours. You can find them in facilities like CVS and Walgreens across Arizona. When you utilize those care clinics, you will minimize additional charges out of your pocket. Consider requesting samples from your physician when possible to try to save money by testing a medication's effectiveness before filling a prescription. If you find yourself in a situation where you do need an expensive prescription, you might try looking on patientassistance.com, which has numerous resources available to help you find assistance with those types of expenses. If your doctor is requiring a prescription drug, always ask for a generic. Many of the pharmacies around town will offer a $4 generic drug option, which will help save on out-of-pocket costs. Additionally, when a doctor is mentioning a prescription drug, you can try looking them up on GoodRx. This is a very good app for your smartphone to be able to price shop and determine the best pharmacy to fill a prescription and the cost before you leave the doctor's office to make sure that the medications in question are within your budget. Don't forget to utilize the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona's Vision Care service. This is a free service available to you and will help minimize any out-of-pocket costs that you may experience. As mentioned before with the health insurance, we will retain the same dental insurance carrier, Secure Care Dental. On the chart in front of you, you'll see we are keeping the same plan known as the copay plan. This plan is very low cost, but it provides tremendous benefit to the members. You'll see in most of the benefit categories a note of See Schedule 150. This schedule is listed in the Employee Navigator website for your review. Essentially, within the schedule of copays, you will see a listing of all procedures dentists can provide to you. Along with those procedures is an American Dental Association code. Please review the schedule of copays to be familiar with the out-of-pocket costs prior to visiting the dentist. Some of the preventive services are available to you at no cost. Another great feature of this plan is there is no annual max benefit, meaning as long as you need dental services and you're using a Secure Care Dental dentist, Secure Care will continue to provide payment on your behalf, and you will have a portion of that cost going forward as well. To find a contracted dentist with Secure Care Dental, please go to the Secure Care Dental website. You'll see information located on the bottom of page 10. Our vision insurance will be staying with Secure Care as well. The benefit chart in front of you highlights some of the benefits for the vision plan. Members will receive a comprehensive eye exam every 12 months for a $10 copay on this plan. Outside of that, if you should need materials, you qualify for lenses every 12 months and frames every 12 months as well. Some of those services are capped at allowances. You can see in the chart, for example, frames have a $150 allowance, contact lenses as well. And some of those services will have copays along with it. So you'll notice the materials copay of a $10 copay. If you're looking for a vision provider, please visit the Secure Care Dental website as listed on the bottom of page 11 to find a contracted provider. Accurate Corrosion provides a very robust life and disability protection plan for their eligible associates. The life and accidental death and dismemberment policy offered to all eligible employees is a $100,000 term life policy. Please make sure when you complete your benefit elections that you are verifying your beneficiaries and they are kept up to date. Additionally, if you would like to opt for additional life insurance coverage, employees can certainly do so. At new hire eligibility, employees can sign up for up to $100,000 of guarantee issue coverage. Guarantee issue means no health questions. If you are outside of your new hire eligibility period, you can still elect voluntary life coverage in the amount of $10,000 increments up to a maximum amount of coverage of $300,000. You may also elect to buy coverage for your spouse and for your children. Aside from the life insurance policies, Accurate Corrosion also provides access to voluntary disability insurance. On the chart listed below on page 12, you'll see a brief highlight of the benefits for short-term disability and long-term disability. Short-term disability coverage is available to you and will kick in on the first day of an accident or 8th day of an illness, and benefits will continue to be payable as long as you remain disabled for up to 13 weeks. The percentage of your income replaced is up to 60% of your pre-disability earnings, with a maximum benefit of $1,500 per week. Once the short-term disability policy is exhausted, the long-term disability plan is an option as well. Long-term disability benefits will kick in after 90 days of being continuously disabled and will continue until Social Security normal retirement age. The percentage of income again is 60% of your pre-disability earnings. and is capped at $5,000 benefit per month. Along with this pre-recorded guide will be another guide to talk to you about the benefits of investing in your 401k retirement plan. This is a very robust offering by Accurate Corrosion, which includes many additional benefits, including contributions. Please make sure that you familiarize yourself with the 401k benefit information. Employee Assistance Program. Please know that Accurate Corrosion also provides an employee assistance program which offers you access to a 1-800 phone number available 24/7. This phone number is available to you to help you with any number of situations, including managing stress, controlling depression or anxiety, working through grief and loss issues, caring for children or helping find care for aging parents, quitting tobacco, alcohol, or drug use. Please consider using the Employee Assistance Program if you find yourself with a situation in which you would just like to reach out and have somebody to talk to. The number is listed at the bottom of the page and again is available to you 24/7, 365. The number is 1-800-450-1327. Again, this number is completely confidential. Within the Accurate Corrosion Benefits Program is also a Will and Legal Document Center. You do have access to this service. For more information, feel free to reach out to HR. Additionally, there is an Educational Assistance Program in which Accurate Corrosion will reimburse an employee up to 50% of the course costs for pre-approved courses. For more information, please reach out to HR. Profit sharing is also a tremendous benefit offered by Accurate Corrosion and is based on the company's performance. Additional benefits include company-provided cell phones, vacation time, sick leave policies, and 10 observed holidays per year. For more information, please reach out to HR.